Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a simple but exciting story. The title of today's story is The Lost Key. In this lesson you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. It was late afternoon. The sky was turning orange. Mark was walking home from work. He felt tired. It had been a long day. When Mark arrived at his apartment, he reached into his pocket. He stopped, his face changed. "My key," he said. "It's not here." Mark checked his other pocket. Nothing. He looked inside his bag. Still nothing. Mark felt worried. "I lost my key," he said. He stood in front of the door. He could not get inside. Mark tried to remember his day. "Where did I go?" he thought. He went to the office. He went to a café. He took the bus home. The café, he said suddenly. Mark quickly walked back to the café. The café was small and quiet. He walked to the counter. "Excuse me," he said. "I think I lost my key here." The woman behind the counter smiled. "Let me check," she said. She looked under the counter. Then she held up a small key. "Is this yours?" she asked. Mark's eyes lit up. "Yes, that's my key," he said. "Thank you so much." Mark felt relieved. He took the key and hurried home. This time he opened the door easily. He stepped inside and smiled. "That was a long day," he said. From that day, Mark became more careful. He always checked his key before leaving, and he learned something important. Small things can cause big problems. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Key. A key is used to open a door. Example: Mark lost his key. Pocket. A pocket is a small space in your clothes. Example: Mark checked his pocket. Lost. Lost means something is missing. Example: Mark lost his key. Careful. Careful means paying attention to avoid mistakes. Example: Mark became more careful. Now let's listen again. This time listen slowly and repeat. Mark came home from work. He could not find his key. He looked everywhere. Then he went back to the cafe. The worker found his key. Mark felt happy. He went home and opened the door. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I lost my key. Where is my key? I found it. I will be more careful. Great job. Excellent work today. You just learned English through the story The Lost Key. Remember, being careful can save you from problems. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.